Hello guys, my name is Tahir and I am architectural engineer by profession, and also I am a freelancer and I work for international clients. Okay, I am going to review some drawings of a two-story container house that is made up of two 20-feet containers and one 40-feet long container. Here is the list of drawing. We have rooftop plan, first floor plan, second floor, front elevation, rear, right and left elevation, cross section 1 and 2, longitudinal section and opening schedule. So first sheet is the rooftop plan. Here you can see we have a top view of the house. Just look at this. I mean, this is the top of the house. If you got some chance to fly over the house, you can see this will be the top of the house, top view of the house. The next one is the first floor plan. On the first floor, on the ground floor, we have used two 20-feet long containers that are placed 40 feet apart from each other and measured from the external edges of the 20-feet long containers. So this container will be used as storage and this container will be used as garage. If you have heavy bikes or motorbikes, you can just park your bikes inside the garage. The next floor is the second floor, and we have used 40 feet long containers here. You can see we have planned a one bathroom, a kitchenette, seating for two persons. So this is the bedroom. It's a very simple, this is very easy to understand that this floor plan is designed for a single couple, right? Only a husband and wife. So you can see we have an entrance door and we have a timber floor with railing and stairs coming from ground level to top level. Here is the front elevation. Like, this will be the front of the house conceptually. After construction of this house, this is what it will look like. Like if we talk about drawing work, this is the rear elevation, the back elevation of the house. You can see the window placements, the sizes, and the border of the window, the 20-feet containers on the ground floor, the 40-foot container on the top level, right? Here are the side elevations. This is the right and this is the left elevation. So elevations will be same, but the mirror image of one another. This is the section. If you cut your building in the along the shorter axis, this will be what you will be looking at. So you can see the truss of the roof, like the detail showed that these trusses are 16 inches placed on center. You can see the section of the bathroom and 20-feet container on the downside, on the downstairs, and this is the railing that is made up of 4x4 posts and balusters and handrails, right? This is another cross section. Like in this section, we have just shown that how our deck on the second floor will be supported. So here we have used two W sections, the steel sections basically, and we have used a ring joist that will be placed with the web of the W section, and you will just place your joist here on the joist hangers, and you will just fix your joist hanger with ring joist and floor joist with the joist hanger. So this is only the detail of how we are going to support our deck floor, right? Moving on to the next sheet, we have a longitudinal section. Like if you cut your building from the longer axis along the longer axis, you can see this. So these trusses were basically placed at 16 inches on center. You can see the door, the bedroom wall, the bed and bathroom, this section of the 20-feet containers on the ground level, the stairs going from ground level to deck level, right? So this is the door window schedule, like what type of window you are going to use, what will be the size of the window borders, the doors, Either they will be pocket door, they will be sliding door, or they will be panel door, whatever type of opening you are going to use, you must have to mention that type of opening in this opening schedule. You have to mention how many units you are going to use, and at what location. I mean, if you are going to use this door in the bedroom, in the bathroom, so you have to write bedroom and bathroom. But since I am only using this door in the bedroom, so I have only put the bedroom as a location of its use. Okay, so this is only the drawings that will include in the architectural design, or you can say the concept design of a container house, the 40 feet and 22 into 20 feet shipping container house. Okay, so if you have any question, please drop your question in the comment section, and I will be answering your questions as soon as possible. Take care guys, subscribe my YouTube channel and like and share it with your friends and family. Thank you, bye.